serving all of San Diego, this is your Fox 5 News.
From a dream to a reality, local couple is making money. Raul, you gotta listen to this. From their simple idea to make money, have an idea, make some money.
I like that.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Turning a concept into cash, Charlotte. Coming up, we are introducing you to a local entrepreneurial couple who found their energy in water.
You need to pay attention. All those ideas that we keep talking about in commercial break on how we're gonna get rich one day. Okay, we're gonna talk about a San Diego couple that really had this idea. They built it, they made money, and we're gonna find out how this all started. And they're together. Okay, entrepreneurial couple, Howie Reed and Kate Gutnikoff, right?
Gutnikoff.
Okay, they're here to tell us how they did this. Guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I have so many questions. First of all, let's start off by telling us, what is this product? What is this?
Well, Blink Energy Water is a clear, non-carbonated beverage. It's 2 servings of water, 1 serving of caffeine, low calorie. That's why we call it the drink that multitasks as well as you.
Okay, my next question, we got to get a little background before we get into everything. You two are...
Engaged.
Engaged.
Yes.
You came up with this idea...
Together.
When?
Over Christmas. We kind of had the idea. I used to drink energy drinks a lot.
Okay.
I used to buy just kind of a nasty energy drink and a water to wash it down. So I said, why not combine the 2 into 1? So we came up with Blink.
So like, what were you doing? Sitting by the Christmas tree and just having a...
Just over dinner. I think
Yeah.
it was over Christmas dinner with our parents.
And you were dating at that point?
Yes.
And you thought, this guy's smart.
Yeah, he's a keeper.
He's a keeper.
Yeah.
So you got engaged. And then, so how did you get to... We'll get to more how you two work together in a minute, but how did you get from that idea over dinner to this? Which, by the way, if we could mention this wall of water, your interns put this together for you?
Yes.
Yeah, Howie did too.
Yeah, we built it this morning. It took us about 30 minutes.
You were here setting this up with the interns, and I think we have a picture or whatnot showing the interns actually build. That's what your interns do.
Yeah.
You make them build walls of water.
We build
Hey,
walls
they
of
might
water.
learn something from doing that, right? Okay, so you came up with the idea over dinner, and then now what happened?
Well, we just took the idea. We went and met with a company, with a bottling company. They helped us formulate the product.
You called the bottle company.
We called the bottler.
Okay.
We told them what we wanted, kind of what the elements were. We wanted it to be clear. We wanted it to be non-carbonated, and we wanted it to be water plus energy.
Did you have to put a lot of money into it? If you don't mind me asking.
It's taken a little bit. Yeah.
A lot of money? I mean, is it something that our friends at home can do, or you have to have a nice chunk of change to start up your own business?
You have to have a nice chunk of change, but you also have to have that drive.
Just give me like how much? Like 20,000, 50,000?
I just think with any idea that you do.
Oh, you got to have some money to start.
Yeah.
Okay. You two also, since you're romantically involved, how do you work together? I would kill my husband if I had to work with him. Wait. So what's going on?
Well,
you keep it fresh.
Yeah, well, the one thing about Blink Energy Water, it's literally the drink that multitasks as you. So us as a couple, we do a lot of the marathons, the charities for Blink.
Okay.
And it's kind of brought us together. I mean, every Saturday morning we wake up, that 5 a.m. wake-up call, and it's great because we're more than a couple, we're partners too.
Okay, but I think anybody that's in any type of relationship knows that there's times that you just need time out from the other person that you're with, right? So how do you do that at the same time that you're building this big business?
You know, I don't know. We don't really have time out, to be honest with you.
Well, sometimes I send her off with her friends. She likes to go to LA every once in a while for a weekend with the girls.
Is there anything that, like, what would you say her strongest trait is?
Her strongest trait is her personality. She's very outgoing, and that's kind of where that's how we complement each other. Is I'm more of the behind the scenes guy, and she's the girl that kind of brings it all together.
Okay, and if there was one thing that you could change about him, what would it be? I changed up the question.
Nothing.
Oh, that's a safe answer. That's a safe answer. Okay, so what happens now? This is on the market?
Yes, you could actually find all the locations that we're at blinkenergywater.com. We're in about 100 locations and a few gyms locally.
Okay, and then a lot of people, I mean, in this time, trying to start up their own business with their own ideas. Do you see that possible for a lot of people to do? I mean, if there were somebody watching saying, I have this really good idea and how do I do it?
Oh, I think so, definitely. It just takes drive. It takes a lot of time, but you have to be dedicated. Definitely.
And take the downs and ups as they come, and know that you have an idea and it could be great. I mean, we wanted an energy water that had everything that coffee could, but it wouldn't stain your teeth, only had 10 calories, and we made it happen.
And you recommend it, obviously, from what I've heard, working with family or friends or loved ones.
It's a strong partnership, yeah.
It is a strong word. I love it. All right, Howie and Kate, thank you for being here. Blink Water, I have to try it as I send it back in.
For any more information, anyone can find us on blinkenergywater.com.
We'll link it up to our website for you, FoxEyeSanDiego.com.
Thank you.
All right. Ooh,
Yeah?
what is this? Blueberry pomegranate.
Oh, wait. I have that too.